For sale by owner, probably the most gorgeous view of the White Tank Mountains via the 4th fairway on Arizona Traditions Golf Course. This guard-gated resort-style community of 55 plus in Arizona Traditions is available at the price listed below in the description. This very well-maintained Papago home on a golf course lot has been under the care of its original owners. This home features a custom open floor plan with 2 and possibly 3 large bedrooms. The office den has a ceiling fan and access to a Jack and Jill bathroom. The second bedroom is a master suite of its own with ceiling fan, walk-in closet, and 3/4 bath. It also features a double sink and a very large shower. The master suite is huge with a ceiling fan. The view of the White Tank Mountains is unsurpassed. An oversized walk-in closet, 5-foot shower with seating bench, double sink vanity, large linen closet, and a pot shelf. There is also a half bath for the convenience of your evening guests. The kitchen features a custom-built above cabinets pot shelf, a walk-in pantry, and has been upgraded with solid oak custom-made cabinets, granite countertops, lighting above and below cabinets, high-end appliances which include double oven, electric cooktop, dishwasher, microwave, Insta-hot water, garbage disposal, and refrigerator. The huge laundry room is not to go unnoticed. There is lots of counter space, cabinets, deep sink, washer and dryer, with room for a second refrigerator. This home is equipped with a built-in vacuum system and water softener. Pull up a seat to our wet bar, with lots of cabinet space for your entertainment needs. You'll notice the dining room has the same gorgeous mountain view adorned with a crystal chandelier. The living room has a custom-built wall for a large TV. Currently, there's a 60-inch TV there, with components, pot shelf, and a few added extras. The outdoor, partially covered patio is perfect for entertaining. It features bench seating, a waterfall, built-in natural gas barbecue, with sit-up bar, and again, that gorgeous view. 2,199 square feet. For sale by owner, give us a call today at 425-478-3036 to talk to the owners and schedule an appointment for a walkthrough. Feel free to just stop by and ring the doorbell between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. and if they're home, they'll be more than happy to walk you through it. For sale by owner, Surprise, Arizona.